Hi everybody. Today we are going to introduce you the smart doorbell. It is a wireless smart video doorbell. In the package itself, it comes with the device itself, the 3M stickers, and a wall plug. So today we are going to demonstrate to you how do we actually operate this. So basically, this smart video doorbell can be operated by USB cable and a battery operated. First of all, you have to actually unscrew it. Battery and a reset button. So right now we are going to do the pairing for this wireless doorbell. So first of all, we have to go to Smart Tuya app, add on to video surveillance smart doorbell. Reset button, press for 5 seconds.
Reset the factory setting.
Reset the factory setting. Next.
Wait for the configuration. Receiving configuration information. Begin to connect.
Begin to connect. So it will turn to a blue button and well connected.
The connection is successful.
You can name it your camera, and this is what you can see lifetime.